Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday we stopped there. You are requested to attend an important meeting to be held in the boarders' sitting room. You are requested to attend an important meeting to be held in the boarders' sitting room at the hostel immediately after 4. So yesterday we stopped there. Okay, now we have to see what is the situation. Okay, what's going to come for Mobs and Marley. Okay, what is it? Okay, it's all mysterious. Now we will come to know about this. Okay, there was no signature, but the writing was Eva's. The Ramsays were much mystified. As day girls, they had nothing to do with the hostel and could only go there by special invitation. When afternoon school was over, they asked some of the boarders the meaning of the letter. So there was no signature on that note. There was no, but writing was of Eva. Eva was their schoolmate, was their classmate, okay? The Ramsays were much mystified. What does the word mystify mean? Mystify means they were perplexed, they were annoyed, they were worried that what is the problem? Why they have been called to the hostel boarding room, okay? As day girls, they had nothing to do with the hostel. They were day girls and they had nothing to do with the hostel room. उनको hostel से कुछ लेना देना नहीं था because they were day boarders and could only go there by special invitation. And if they had to go to the hostel, it was only after the special invitation. When afternoon school was over, they asked some of the boarders the meaning of the letter. So when afternoon school was over, the next day, when it was over, so what they asked some of the boarders the meaning of the letter. So they told some of the boarders that what is the meaning of the letter. Nobody would explain. किसी ने explain नहीं किया, and nobody was willing to explain what it is. You will find out when you get there was Nesta's cryptic reply. So Nesta replied to them that you will find out when you get there. जब आप वहाँ जाओगे तब आपको पता चलेगा कि what is the situation, what is the problem, and what is the note about. Was Nesta's cryptic reply. Cryptic reply, and cryptic means having a meaning that's mysterious, okay? Cryptic means we have in WhatsApp crypted chats and encrypted chats means that are safe and secure, okay? But here cryptic means having a meaning that is mysterious. वो cryptic खुफिया, okay? That has some mysterious meaning. That is, yes. Puzzled and considerably distressed at a certain offensive attitude exhibited by Sybil and others, Mouse and Merle walked across the garden to the hostel. So they were puzzled. Who was puzzled? Mouse and Merle were puzzled, and they were distressed to a very great extent. Considerably means to a very great extent. बहुत ज़्यादा वो क्या हो गए थे? Distress हो गए थे. Worried. They were annoyed. They were worried. Okay. At a certain offensive attitude exhibited by Sybil and others. So they were distressed. They were puzzled by what? Offensive attitude. Offensive means what? Offensive means when you cause someone, जब आप किसी कुछ बोलते हो तो वो उस चीज़ से क्या होता है? ऑफेंड होता है, उसको बुरा लगता है. He feels distressed, he feels worried, he feels perplexed. So this attitude that was exhibited by Sybil and others, it offended Marvis and Merle. It puzzled Marvis and Merle, and they were distressed. And what Marvis and Merle did, they walked across the garden to the hostel. Now they walked into the hostel room. Eva had cleared all the younger girls out of the boarders' sitting room and was waiting in company with नेस्टा. सो ईवा जितनी भी जूनियर लड़कियां थी इन्होंने इनको क्या निकाला? बाहर निकाला. आउट ऑफ द बोर्डर स्टिंग रूम. दे मेक देम क्लियर आउट ऑफ देयर. दे टोल्ड देम टू लीव फ्रॉम हेयर फॉर सम टाइम बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू डिस्कस सम इम्पोर्टेंट इशू विद मार्वस एंड मर्ली. And was waiting in company with Nesta, Muriel, Aubrey, Edith, and Kitty. They were all waiting in the boarders' sitting room, and rest of the younger girls were told to go out of the boarders' sitting room for a while because they had to discuss some important issue. As soon as Ramses and Sybil came in, Sybil closed the door. So as soon as they came inside the boarder's room, Sybil closed the door. Eva settled herself and looked somewhat embarrassed. So Eva settled herself. She made herself sit, okay, and looked somewhat embarrassed. She was embarrassed. उसको वो मंद छान हो. Embarrassed means when you feel shy in front of anyone, okay, as if you have committed some wrong. Okay, embarrassed means as if you have committed some mistake or a kind of shyness when you do something wrong. Okay, जब आप कुछ गलत करते हो. As if not knowing quite how to begin. No, she was not knowing how to begin. She fidgeted for a moment with her pencil and cleared her throat. Fidgeted means make small movements, especially of the hands and feet, through impatience. When you are impatient and when you are nervous and you make small movements with your hand. So what she did, she fidgeted for a moment with her pencil. So she made like this moves, fidgeted, okay, like this, like this. So she was fidgeting for a moment with her pencil and cleared her throat. So she cleared her throat as if she has to give a speech. We are all here, she said at last, except Faye, who could not stay. So she is telling to everyone that we are all here except Faye. Faye couldn't stay here because she might be having some sort of work. What we have met for is to ask Mavis and Merle to explain how they got to know some of the examination questions beforehand. So now she has cleared her throat and now she is telling others, the ones who are staying there in the boarded staying room, Ramses, Mavis and Merle, their friends Aubrey and some Aubrey, Edith, Kitty. Okay, now she's telling to all, she's addressing all. We are all here, she said at last, except Faye, who could not stay. Okay, what we have met for is to ask Mavis and Merle. We have met here, we have organized this meeting for we have organized this meeting to ask Mavis and Merle to explain how they got to know some of the examination questions beforehand. So how was it possible for Mavis and Merle to know the questions beforehand, to know the questions before examination? Okay, it seems queer to us, to say the least of it. It seems very strange to us. Queer means strange. So it seems very strange to us that how they were able to know questions beforehand. To say the least of it. To say the least of it is a phrase and it means the situation is, though she is telling कि इतना ही बोल रही है लेकिन इसके हिसाब से situation बहुत ही गंभीर है. To say the least of it is a phrase. It's actually a phrase. To suggest a situation that is actually much more extreme or serious. एक्चुअल में वो सिचुएशन जो है वो बहुत ही सीरियस होती है, बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम होती है, लेकिन आप बोलते कम ही हो उस सिचुएशन के बारे में. आ रही है मेरी बात समझ में? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं किसी सिचुएशन के बारे में जिक्र कर रही हूँ, मैं थोड़ा सा उस सिचुएशन के बारे में बोल रही हूँ, दो आई टेल लीस्ट ऑफ इट, बट एक्चुअल में जो है सिचुएशन जो है वो बहुत ही गंभीर है. आ रही है मेरी बात समझ में? इट्स अ फ्रेज एक्चुअली. सो वी विल स्टॉप हेयर. Tomorrow we will read some more these paragraphs. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.